15 habits that quietly rewired my life. I tested 15 self-improvement habits on myself like a lab rat with a vision board. And what happened next was borderline insane. 1. Make the bed. That I used to think people who made their beds every morning were either military or unreasonably stable. Then I tried it. For a week, then a month. Now, I can't not make it. That it's not about neatness. It's about momentum. Within 5 minutes of waking up, I've already proved I can finish something. That tiny win bleeds into everything else. Suddenly, skipping the gym feels wrong. Leaving dishes in the sink feels off. When I walk past that made bed later in the day, it whispers, "You showed up for yourself today." Small fix. Huge win. 2. Bible reading and prayer. Before scrolling TikTok or checking YouTube, I opened the Bible. Sometimes it was 10 minutes. Sometimes a single verse hit so hard I had to just sit there in silence. Prayer wasn't always eloquent. Sometimes it was just, "Lord, I don't have it today. Please help." But that habit grounded me in a way cold showers never could. Because when life punches you in the face, what you're anchored to matters. Scripture gave me direction. Prayer gave me peace. 3. Wake up before the world. Waking up at 9 a.m. felt fine, until I realized my future self was already 3 hours ahead. Now, I wake before the noise. Before the world starts asking for things. That early quiet? It feels like a clean slate, not a productivity hack. Just pure peace. 4. Phone-free walks. Go on a walk without your phone. No music. No podcast. Just you. And that one squirrel judging your life choices. At first, it's awkward. You reach for your phone out of habit. Then you remember. It's just you and nature now. And that's when ideas appear. Some of my best thoughts didn't come from books or podcasts. They came 15 minutes into silence. Walk without noise. Clarity loves quiet. 5. The deep work hour. Before this, I'd work for 5 hours but accomplish nothing. Then I tried one focused hour. No distractions, no dopamine breaks. In that single hour, I got more done than in an entire distracted afternoon. That it's not about working longer. It's about working like your soul's on a deadline. 6. Lift heavy weights. That I'm not a gym bro. No pre-workout, no mid-rep grunting. But there's something ancient and therapeutic about walking into a room full of heavy things and deciding you're strong enough to lift them. It's not you versus weights. It's you versus your excuses. Lifting taught me focus, discipline, and how to show up when I didn't feel like it. 7. Hydration. The underrated superpower. That you're not tired. You're just buffering. I treated water like a performance enhancer. Because it is. Brain fog vanished, energy stabilized, mood improved. Chugging water became my secret cheat code. Honestly, hydration is the simplest self-upgrade on the planet. 8. Read 10 pages, not tweets, not Reddit threads. Real books. 10 pages a day felt small. Until it stacked. That's 300 pages a month. A full book. 12 books a year. In 3 years, you've got a degree in not being mediocre. Books rewired my brain. They made me crave growth more than dopamine. 9. Journaling. Some days it looked profound. Other days it looked like chaos. But it worked. Because journaling isn't about being poetic. It's about being honest. It's dumping your mental junk drawer onto paper until the noise makes sense. By the end of one page, my thoughts felt lighter. My mind, cleaner. Writing became my daily therapy session, judgment-free. 10. Keep one promise to yourself. Your confidence is built on the promises you keep to yourself. Start small. Drink one full bottle of water before coffee. No Instagram before 10 a.m. Make your bed before anything else. Each kept promise tells your brain, "I can trust me." Break enough of them, and your mind stops believing your words. Follow through, even on tiny things, and you build what I call inner gravity. That pull toward your best self. 11. Start saying no. I used to be a full-time people pleaser with part-time boundaries. Saying yes to everything left me drained, bitter, and burned out. Then I realized, my peace is expensive, and not everyone gets a discount. The people who respect your no are the ones who truly deserve your yes. 12. Eat whole foods. When I ate garbage, I felt like garbage. Once I cleaned up my diet, my mind followed. Whole, colorful, real foods gave me energy, focus, and clarity. It wasn't about looking good. It was about feeling alive. 13. Clean space. Clean mind. My room used to look like a crime scene. Then I learned. Messy space equals messy thoughts. Cleaning became therapy. Decluttering my environment decluttered my brain. Now, I treat my space like a mirror for my standards, because it is. 14. Talk to yourself with respect. My self-talk used to sound like an insult reel. You're lazy. You messed up. Why can't you get it together? Then I realized, you can't live a powerful story if your inner narrator keeps trashing the main character. Now, I talk to myself like someone I'm rooting for. The critic turned into a coach, and everything changed. 15. The daily reminder. No one's coming to save you. This one hit hardest. No mentor, no miracle, no perfect timing. It's just you. You're the hero and the rescue team. Both. The day I accepted that, I stopped waiting for motivation and started building momentum. More. Once I get noticed, or when someone believes in me. Believe in yourself so deeply that others have to catch up. Because you're not stuck. You're in process. You're not a victim. You're the one holding the pen. Life will hand you excuses on a silver platter. But discipline and ownership? That's forged from within. And the truth is simple. No one's coming. But the person you become when you stop waiting, that person changes everything.